So I'm waiting for the drywall to get delivered, and I thought now's a good time to do a quick update for the week. We've got the windows in. Beautiful new windows. I love this big window for the kitchen. Let me show you outside for the other ones. If we can see them here. It's kind of a sunny day out today. It's going to be 85 degrees. So there's some new double hungs and then all these new sliders along the back. Just beautiful windows. Really pleased with them. As we were pulling the siding away to, flash the windows properly, I noticed a lot of damage. Places like here, not sure if you can see how wavy it is. That's from somebody putting their grill too close to the house and melting the vinyl. And I found a lot that had little holes punctured on the face of the vinyl where somebody, either thought to help secure it down, they'd put an extra screw in there to hold up against the house, or sometimes if the wind blows around a flap, if it flaps around on some of them, people would put them in, and I pulled all those out because they're mostly toward the top. But right now we think it makes sense to re-side the house, which we hadn't originally planned, but I mean, look how dirty the siding is. Vinyl siding is so inexpensive, and we don't have anything that matches this that we can patch in where it's damaged. So it's so inexpensive, it just makes sense to do the right thing and replace it. So I think we'll do that. It adds a day or two to the amount of time it takes to finish the house, and material cost, it adds about $1,000. So it's really not much of an investment, and we should see a 100% return on new siding. It's one of those things that helps the curb appeal so much, and it says that it's a really top, high-end renovation if you do it, so people are willing to pay a little bit more for it. So I think we'll do that. Have the building rough-in inspection tomorrow morning, and then we can start hanging the drywall. I've got 72 sheets of drywall, 4,000 pounds of the stuff being delivered today. Hopefully, we'll see if they show up. And I've never had carry-in delivery of drywall before. I've always carried it in myself, but with this many sheets, and just to kind of save some wear and tear on my own back, I'm actually having them carried in. So I've got 18 sheets going back to this, 18 sheets going back to the master. I've got them delivering 32 sheets to the living room, and then I'm gonna have some poor schmuck carry 22 sheets down to the basement here. Hopefully they can get around these corners. I'm kind of worried that they might not be able to, but hopefully they can. If they can get them down here, we'll have 22 sheets, and I'm using all 10-foot sheets just to make sure we have as few butt joints as possible. I think I might be able to coordinate it so that we have no butt joints at all, which makes taping so much easier, and your results can be better in a short period of time. So everything down here is ready to go. Everything upstairs is ready to go for drywall. Just need to pass our inspection, and then we'll be rocking and rolling.